Hello student, this is Swada from Holy Children Public School and Hostel. Before watching this video, press bell icon, like and subscribe this channel to get more exciting information. So today I am here to teach you Science of Class 8, Chapter 8, that is Cell Structure and Functions. Cell is discovered by Robert Hooke and it is defined as the structural and functional unit of life. Cell is categorized into two parts. First one is unicellular organisms, second one is multicellular organisms. So let's talk about the unicellular organisms. So organisms made up of one cell called unicellular. For example, Euglena, Paramecium and yeast. Second one is multicellular organisms. So those organisms who made up of more than one cell considered as multicellular organisms. For example, plant, animal and fungus. Next topic is size of cells. So it varies from smallest cell mycoplasma to biggest cell of ostrich egg. Next point is size of cell in human being. So this smallest cell found in human being is sperm cells. The largest cell is considered to be ovum cells and the longest cell is nerve cells, which is found in human being. Next topic is animal cells. So animal cell includes nucleus, plasma membrane, mitochondria, nucleus, ribosomes, lysosomes and so on. Likewise, plant cell includes plastids, cell wall, nucleus, ribosomes and mitochondria. Okay, let's start with the first one, that is plasma membrane. So it is a living and semi-permeable membrane and made up of two layers of liquid lipid molecule in which protein molecules are floating. For what are the functions of plasma membrane? So they provide shape and size of the cell and also they protect internal content of the cell. Next one is the nucleus. It is a colorless dense sap present inside the nucleus known as nucleoplasm. So it has chromatin fiber which is composed of deoxyribonucleic acid, which is also known as DNA, and protein which is called as histone protein. So these fiber condense to form chromosomes during cell division. Next one is cytoplasm. So it is a jelly-like material, consists 80% of water. It is present between the plasma membrane and nucleus and it contains many organelles with distinct structure and functions. Next cell organelle is endoplasmic reticulum. So endoplasmic reticulums are the network of tubular structure which is interconnected with each other. It gives internal support to cytoplasm. Rough endoplasmic reticulum synthesized protein and membrane protein, and smooth endoplasmic reticulum synthesized lipid for cell membrane. Next one is Golgi apparatus, or it can be said Golgi body. So it provides vacuole and secretory vessels. It forms lysosomes and plasma membrane. It has two ends. One is cis phase, which is situated near the endoplasmic reticulum, and the trans phase, which is situated near cell membrane. Next one is lysosome. So it is also called suicidal bag because it helps in digestion of large molecule. It is filled with hydrolytic enzymes, mostly occurs in animal and few type of plants. Next one is mitochondria. So it is known as the powerhouse of the cell because ATP molecule is synthesized here. ATP molecule provide energy to vital activities of living cell. And ATP molecule is itself known as the coin of the energy for body.